Welcome to the roaring world of chainsaws, where steel bites through timber and raw power rules the forest. From precision cuts to massive takedowns, this is the ultimate show of chainsaw domination. Subscribe now and feel the fury. Welcome to Tree Power Channel. The wind howls, snow blankets the ground, but the machine doesn't stop. The blade digs deeper like steel claws shredding through the frozen wood. Each tremor is a warning. The fall is near. The operator steps back, eyes locked on the giant. And then, crack. The fateful sound rips the silence, and the massive trunk crashes down, shattering the snow below. A chilling, razor-precise performance that leaves you breathless. Deep in the pine forest, where the wind howls through the treetops, the roar of a chainsaw tears through the silence. The lumberjack moves between towering trunks, each step as cautious as tracking a wild beast. With skilled hands and a chainsaw that growls like a predator, he begins the conquest of the forest giants. Every cut is a dance between man and nature, wild, calculated, and spine-chillingly precise. In the blinding white of a snowy forest, the chainsaw roars like a beast unleashed in the frozen wild. The logger steps through deep snow, chainsaw spinning with raw power. Every footprint sinks into the cold. Every cut defies nature's icy grip. Wood splinters, snow scatters. Every second is a tense duel between man and the towering titan of timber. And then, the crack of destiny. The giant falls with a thunderous crash into the snowy silence. This isn't your average tree cut. This is a battle against a twisted root ball and rock-hard soil. The operator moves in on the base, where kickback danger lurks with every pull of the trigger. The saw roars, dirt flies, and roots coil like hidden claws beneath the earth. The deeper the cut, the higher the risk. Double the danger, double the tension, because one wrong move, and that saw could strike back in the blink of an eye. A massive tree lies uprooted, but don't be fooled. It's still a sleeping beast, full of hidden danger. With the Johnson 2045 chainsaw in hand, the operator steps in like a warrior. The saw screams to life, tearing into the dense wood like slicing through the armor of a monster. But every cut is a gamble. Massive limbs, twisted roots, and internal pressure could unleash sudden, violent movement. One split second of distraction, and the price could be steep.
Drunter war keiner. Oh ja, bisschen, ja. Ja, da ist er kaputt, ja. Nur ist er Zeit.
High above the ground, nestled among the limbs of a centuries-old oak, a massive branch is about to be cut loose. This isn't just tree trimming, it's a precision performance. A giant crane holds the massive limb steady, while the chainsaw operator works with surgical focus. The blade glides through the iron-hard wood, sawdust swirling in the sunlight. One wrong move, and the branch could twist, swing, or crash down dangerously. But not today. Everything moves like music, smooth, calculated, and breathtaking to watch. A lumberjack steps into the forest, armed with the powerful steel MS-362 chainsaw. With calm precision, he begins to cut into the tree's trunk. The roar of the engine echoes through the woods as sawdust flies. Each move is skillful, ensuring the tree falls safely in the planned direction. This is the strength and mastery of a seasoned professional at work. Deep in the heart of the forest, a skilled worker prepares for a critical task. With chainsaw in hand, he carefully approaches a towering tree, calculating every move. Precision, patience, and power come together. As the chainsaw roars, the tree begins to fall, a giant surrendering to the ground. Timber work demands respect, strength, and total focus. This is not just cutting wood. This is mastering nature with care and responsibility.
Already got pinching?
In the heart of the forest, something incredible unfolds. A massive cedar tree, dry and gnarled, becomes the center of a fiery spectacle. Flames crackle and roar, and then a sudden explosion. Years of resin and dry wood fuel the blaze, sending sparks flying skyward. It's nature's fury, unleashed in a breathtaking display of fire and force. This is not just a burning tree. It's a dramatic reminder of the raw power hidden within the forest.
He's going. Oh. Yeah.
Ready? Going up.
Nice. Heads up. Nice. Woo!
Timer is ready. Clear your watches. Contestants ready.
At the NYS Woodsman's Field Days, tradition meets strength. This is the Jack and Jill Crosscut, a true test of timing, teamwork, and raw endurance. Back and forth the saw moves, slicing through the log with rhythm and power. No motors, no noise, just muscle, skill, and perfect coordination. As the final stroke drops the disc, the crowd erupts. A classic battle of grit and grace, where every second counts.
Explain the rules better, Judge. Oh, no, maybe she got something in her eye or something? Oh, okay. Bring her in her eye. All right, good job. Last.
In the middle of a rainy forest, the roar of the MS-362 chainsaw breaks the silence. A skilled worker cuts through the tall pine trees with precision and power. As the rain drips steadily from the leaves, the tree falls smoothly to the ground. Despite the wet and slippery conditions, the operation continues with focus and determination. This is timber harvesting in real working weather, raw, tough, and real. In the heart of the log yard, the powerful steel MS-881 Magnum comes to life. This is the break-in test, a crucial moment for any new chainsaw. The machine roars as it slices through thick logs with ease, showing off its raw strength and smooth performance. Operators carefully monitor every cut, every rev of the engine, ensuring everything runs perfectly. This isn't just testing, it's preparation for serious work in the forest.